guess what I am making today? I am making biryani in this mitti ka bartan. I have got all my stuff ready. This is some marinated chicken. It's been marinating for over 1 hour. Some cooked rice. This is a little less cooked than that one. And this is my seasoning mix, which has got milk, kesar, rose water, kevra water. I've got some potatoes also marinating in the same biryani, the same marination as in the chicken. I have got some vegetables as well. I'm gonna add this today. Here I have some fried onion. I have the very important jaifal and some chopped greens. So let's make biryani. There you go. I have already layered it up with chicken in the bottommost layer, then some seasoning on top, and then some rice. First the less cooked one, then the normal cooked one, then the potato layer, and then again some rice and some more seasoning. Now in the final, I'm gonna add this all over. I've already spooned in some, and there you have it. Now I'm gonna seal it, and right now I've kept the flame on high because this is kachi biryani, so I want everything to get heated up, and then I'm gonna seal it, put a tawa underneath, and let it cook for about 2 hours on low. This is how I put it on dum. So on the lowest flame there, the biryani handi is kept here. I sealed it up with a wet towel, and over the top I've kept domed cover so that there is space for the steam to go up and down, and over that I've kept a steel ka normal katori to balance the big heavy rock on top. So this is how we like to put our biryani on dum. After some time, about 40 minutes later, I'm gonna just take it out from this gas and put it on a heated tawa. So there we have it, the beautiful biryani. As you can see, this is kachi biryani, which has been cooked in the mitti ki handi, and I've just served a plate. Whoa! And I've just served a plate, and we have it along with a simple pyaz ki raita. That's it. Cheers!